users, welcome back. Do you know Streamit is the first ever theme to give a subscription plan on Theme Forest. It's one of the best services that Streamit provides. So in today's video, we'll see how to use the PMS plugin. So open WordPress and go to a paid membership subscription and then click on subscription plans. Here I have already created plans according to my requirements, but you can create your new subscription plan by clicking on add new or by clicking add upgrade. I have created using a hierarchy. Here for premium I have no dash, for basic I have 1 dash and for free I have 2. Here if I want one new plan, let's call it super premium, then I will select an upgrade of premium. Now here write the name of your plan like super premium, add a description and tell your user what this plan is about. Next, add price, set the status and then select the role, that is for whom this plan is for, and click on save subscription. Now here you can see that super premium is added and it is the top subscription plan, so the hierarchy has shifted accordingly. See, it was quite easy and you can make your plans accordingly. Streamit also gives the facility of Streamit pricing. Let's talk about that in the next video. If you are new to this channel and want to know more about Streamit, then click on that I button. To buy Streamit and other such products, check out our link in the description. So chill it and stream it.